Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Now that we got our helmet mount all done, last thing I want to do before the next upcoming ski trip is a quick punch out on this side of the ski boot. I have a little bunion on the side of my foot. Let's do some research. Definitely go to a good boot fitter, but I am following this video by Patriot Footbeds to try and DIY this myself. I'm also looking for a new reason to buy more tools. Always wanted a heat gun. This video by Project Farm ranks the Hercules pretty high. Let's go pick it up. I'm back from shopping and these were actually on sale today, so maybe it is meant to be for me to make this video right now. I didn't do any research on this, but only need a rough estimate on the temperatures we're heating up to. Let's go set it up. I made unboxing shorts for this and this. They should be up soon if you guys want a little more detail. I don't have any of the foam they used in the video, so I'm gonna use this Nexcare first aid tape. It got deformed, I was gonna throw it away, but the plan is to use 4 or 5 layers of this on the bunion. Let's go tape ourselves up. I ended up doing 8 layers of the Nexcare tape. Hopefully that's enough thickness to help punch out the plastic. Let's get our socks on and start heating it up. So all I'm doing is heating this area for a few minutes, making sure the temperature doesn't go over 160, 180. I think it could get up to 200 and be pretty safe. But since I am a beginner DIY and I don't know how reliable this thermometer is, I don't want to cause irreversible damage to my ski boots. The plan is to do this for a few times, walk around, and hopefully it starts to feel a little more comfortable or less pressure on the sides of my foot. But for now, video 264 done.